So, what are we going to do today? It's chair yoga. Take a chair and sit on it. We are going to do our yoga sitting on a chair. So, gently close your eyes, making your spine straight. Keep both your hands on your body, one over your chest and other on your abdomen. Gently breathe. Breathe and observe the sound of your breath and the upper body movements. Gently inhale and exhale. Keep breathing. Just be aware of your breath and aware of your surroundings. Focus between your eyebrows. Gently keep breathing, taking Chin Mudra on both your hands. Sit comfortably. We are taking a chair so that you can be comfortable. Rub both your hands together, produce some heat and cover your eyes gently. Give some heat, bringing your hands back to Namaskar Mudra. Open your eyes. Welcome to Chair Yoga with Akhila. So let's start with neck movements. Warm up to neck, neck up and down. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. We'll do this for a few counts, at least 5. Up and down. Then we go to a side. Inhale center, exhale to the side. Inhale center, exhale to the side. We'll repeat this also 5 times towards the side. Now this neck stretches. Just keep your right hand behind your head and just push your head forward. Keep your left hand on your forehead. Push your head backwards. Feel the stretch. Taking your right hand to the right side of your cheek, take your head to the left side. Placing your left hand to the left side of your cheek, take your head to the right side. Now we are going to do shoulder rotation. Gently inhale and exhale and rotate your hands forward and backward 5 times each. Keep breathing. Breathing is very important. Keep breathing. Wrist rotation. Warm up for wrist. Just do it slowly and gently. Keep breathing. Rotate. Clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Keep breathing. For the elbows right now, just drop your hands down and taking your hands up to the shoulder. Your fingers will touch the shoulder. Take your hands all the way up. Let your left hand go down. Touch the space just behind your neck. Stretch. And do the same thing on the other side, taking your right hand just behind your spine and push it downwards with your left hand. Open it up and stretch. These are the stretches for your shoulder. Your left hand goes to the right side and you lock it with your right elbow. Okay, hold it for a few seconds, at least 20 seconds. And you do the same thing to your right hand. Stretch and feel the burn on your shoulder joint. Next we are going to do stretches for your wrist. Okay, keep your palm facing outwards, your wall, and stretch it backwards with the other hand, upwards and downwards. Keep breathing. And when you are stretching, you hold all your fingers and your thumb as well. Don't leave the thumb outside. Okay, stretch, feel the stretch on the wrist. Keep breathing. Next, we are going to do stretch for the shoulder. So here the right shoulder goes to your left knee and you look straight. Feel the stretch through right side of your body. Hold it for 10 counts, 10 seconds, and do the same thing on the other side. Your left shoulder goes to your right knee and feel the stretch on right side. Next, we are going to do a spinal twist. Hold the right side of your chair with your left hand and twist towards the right side of your body. Hold it for a few counts and change the side with your right hand. Hold the left side of your chair and twist. Hold it for a few counts. Feel the stretch through your body. Next is a stretch, gently taking your right hand from the front of your body to the left side up and left hand towards the right side. Inhale up and exhale down. Stretch. Feel the stretch through your body. Next, we are going to do a warm up for the legs. So, as we are sitting, gently lift your leg up. This is for workout for the knees. Inhale up and exhale down. Do it for 5 counts. Knee rotation, clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Point your toes and rotate. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Keep rotating and breathe. Feel the warmth on your knee. Change it. Do it on the left side. Inhale up and exhale down. Now we are going to do this lift. Inhale up, exhale down. Do all these for 5 counts. Rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. Both we will be doing. First clockwise 5 times and anti-clockwise first. Then point your toes. Keep breathing. Next we are going to do warm up for the ankle. Okay, inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. And rotation, ankle rotation. Keep rotating. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. This time also we'll point our toes. Feel the stretch through your legs, through your ankle. Keep breathing. Doing it for 5 times each leg. Inhale up and exhale out on your left ankle. Keep breathing. Inhale up, exhale down. Rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise. Keep breathing and rotate your ankle nicely, pointing your toes. Taking your hands all the way up, we are entering into asanas. We are going to do Tadasana. Inhale up, join your palms. If you can join your palms, else keep your hands straight. Inhale up, all the way up, and feel the stretch through your upper body. Try placing your biceps close to your ears. Inhale up once again. Do it for 5 counts. Inhale up, feel the stretch through your hands, through your side of your body, through your navel, keeping your spine straight. Stretch. Next we are going to do sitting Ardha Chakrasana. Bend backwards, joining your palms. Inhale. And then we are going to do Padahastasana. Interlock your fingers, stretch your body nicely, bend from your waist. First your abdomen touches your thighs, then your chest touches your knee, and then your hand touches the floor. If you can, go down and touch, else wherever you reach, it is okay. Be comfortable while doing these asanas. Don't strain your body. Okay, next we are going to do sitting Trikonasana. Just widen your legs and take your hands to the shoulder level. Gently inhale, exhale and go down. Bend your body towards your right side, placing your right hand down and your left hand up. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Keeping your left hand down and right hand stretched up. Feel the stretch on side of your body. Next we are going to do Parivrata Trikonasana. So gently, if you can, place your hand down and you twist. So here it is twisting. What is coming into action? So your spine is getting twist. Inhale up. Twist your body. Look up through your fingers if you can. Don't come and force your body. Just be comfortable. Next we are going to do the stretch for the spine. So for that, gently lift your leg and place it on your left knee and exhale and bend your body nicely down. So you feel the stretch on your lower back and on the outer side of your right thigh. Feel the stretch. Hold it for at least 20 seconds. It is very good for lower back pain. We do the same thing on the other side. Gently lift your left leg and place it on your right knee. Breathe. Exhale down. Feel the stretch on left outer thigh and on your lower back. Breathe. Hold it for few counts, few seconds, and come up. Relax. Next we are going to do sitting warrior pose. So gently stretch your leg, right leg towards right side of your body, making an angle of 90 degree with your right leg, and your left leg stretched backwards. Gently take your hands towards the shoulder level and look forward towards. Look forward, hold it for few counts. Gently bring the right hand down and take your left hand all the way up. Look through your fingers and feel the stretch through left side of your body. Come to the center. Now you change your leg. Bring your left leg to 90 degree and your right leg stretches out. Just change your position a bit and take your hands all the way up, shoulder level. Look through your fingers. Look to the left side this time. Hold the pose. Feel the stretch through your legs. Exhale and bring your left hand down, taking your right hand all the way up. Feel the stretch on right side of your body. Inhale and come down. This was all about our chair yoga. So this is for people who have less mobility or can't stand for long time, those who have weaker legs. So this will definitely help them moving and getting few stretches for the body. So gently sit and observe your breath. Breathe in, exhale and inhale. Sit calmly. Focus between your eyebrows and breathe normally. Hope this video was useful for you. Do subscribe Yoga with Akhila and keep watching the videos. Share your love and comments. Do let me know if you want any videos so that I can prepare them and present it between you. Rubbing your palms together, place them on your eyes and open your eyes. Thank you so much for watching.